Drugs and possession of a controlled substance and prosecution of those items is a really interesting item here in Missouri. When someone is stopped in a car, drugs are seized, what happens is that officer seizes those drugs and sends them to the Missouri State Highway Patrol Crime Lab for testing. After testing, those get sent to the prosecutor's office for review. And for whatever reason, COVID, length of time is a huge issue. That process of getting to the prosecutor's desk and eventually to court is a very long process. It can take 6, 12, or even 18 months before a person that is stopped with a drug charge is prosecuted. And then the legal process can take a long time too. It can take 6, 12, 18 months. So potentially you are looking at 3 years from the time a person is stopped till the time the case is finished. And that 3 years, 18 months to 3 years, is a huge time frame where things can go really well or go really poorly. In an ideal world, from an attorney's point of view, the day after that person is stopped, they're in my office and they're talking to me so that we can make a plan. Because if I can make a plan and my client can follow it, by the time that 18 months to 3 year term is done, that is a different person. And that judge is not judging the person on the way they were when the car was stopped. They're judging it based upon who the person is standing in front of them in that day. What I see way too often is people getting attorneys involved at the halfway mark or near the end where I don't have time to jump in and help fix whatever is going on. So when it comes to drug charges, so many people put off getting an attorney involved, and that is the worst thing someone can do. Not because I'm going to be going to court in the beginning, but because I'm going to be meeting with my client, addressing the issues, and helping them get help. Because if we can change where their life is going, we can get a better outcome on the case.